Hi guys, Kieran here from Q and Up Barbecue, and today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. No barbecue involved, but actually a salsa, which is really good on nachos. It's what we use on our food truck, but also good on tacos or even as a side dish to any other barbecue that you do. So we're going to start off with a bunch of fresh coriander, a couple of Spanish onions, handful of red tomatoes, and some jalapenos as well. So you can pick and choose how much of everything you want in there, but this is generally the right sort of ratio. We'll use some red wine vinegar, some olive oil, and salt and pepper just to dress it at the end. So we're going to slice the ends of the red tomatoes, cut them in half, peel off the outside skin, and we're going to dice them nice and fine. You can do them chunky as well if you prefer. It's all up to you. So the way that I do it is I slice this way, not quite all the way through, and chop again, not quite all the way through, and then dice this way. We're going to just dice up these tomatoes. I don't always remove the green bit, but for these shaped ones, we will. I prefer to use Roma tomatoes normally because they got a bit more of a pointier end. You can chop off the end nice and easy. De-seeded and sliced up some jalapeno, and we're going to dice this finely as well. Okay. I kind of like having this coarse because everything else is kind of fine anyway. And that's kind of the consistency we're looking for. Alright, so now we're going to dress it. So we're going to just put a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, just enough to season it. About a tablespoon or two of olive oil. The same again with red wine vinegar. And last but not least, a squeeze of lime. And give that a bit of a mix around. And that's your pico de gallo.